will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Wendy app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, sorry, you go down here, you click on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. So then you come here to notifications preferences, just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this. You come here to send delete mobile notifications. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means send delete mobile notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.